Welcome back to the Pioneer STEM Show. And this show is not complete until we have Mr. Dogban, who is still here with us, showcase his project, right?
Yes.
Or will I call it your innovation? Please, can I have a look at it?
Okay.
All right. So, well, this is a great work, and thank you for staying the course. I must commend you. I heard your chit-chat session with David, and thank you for staying the course. So what is this box? So these are what? Please, could you explain?
Okay. This is the IoT Smart Box.
IoT Smart Box.
Yes.
What is IoT? I'm sure our viewers would like to know.
IoT stands for Internet of Things.
Internet of Things. All right.
So it's a technology used to connect
Machines.
different hardware together to talk over the internet.
Over the internet. That's the word. Over the internet.
Yes. So
there's some Bluetooth to Bluetooth connection, but in this case, it's internet,
this
right?
Internet of Things is not limited by distance. Using Internet of Things, you have more advantage over the Bluetooth because Bluetooth is limited by distance.
Absolutely.
But using Internet of Things, you have unlimited access to your device wherever it is.
Wow.
You can be in America and be controlling your device in Nigeria.
Very well.
It is pretty much.
Thank you. Very well explained. So this is a smart box.
Box, yes.
What name do you call it?
IoT Smart Box.
IoT Smart Box. So tell us what it's about.
Okay. The IoT Smart Box is designed to convert any normal house to a smart house, whereby you can control your home appliances using your this is designed to have a mobile app and a remote, and also you can use the manual buttons on there, and also it works with Alexa voice assistance.
Oh wow.
But incorporating that with this, you need an Alexa speaker for that.
Okay, so these buttons that look like game pads are actually buttons to
control.
In this case, for this box, right?
Yes.
But of course, when it's being built in homes, it has a different
you can
look.
It can be your manual switch.
Okay, it can be a manual switch.
Yeah.
So what makes it then IoT then? If we still need to switch it on, switch it off.
In case of when your internet is down, or probably you're not connected to internet, you can still control your
That's
appliances.
a good.
So
that's a good thought flow. That's a good thought flow. And so I'm now concerned because I know this is like a prototype, right?
Yes,
this is more like you simulating it and showing us, and you're going to show us how it works. So how do you do the wiring in homes? How is it done in homes? Taking into cognizance how our electrical wirings run already, right? So can a typical house like mine go fully IoT?
Yes, definitely.
With the wirings already in homes. So how is that done, please?
Because each homes have what we call a distribution box.
Oh yes,
so,
yes.
So every connection starts from your distribution box. So you can convert your normal distribution box into an IoT distribution box.
So there's a retransformation.
Yes, ma'am.
Awesome. And then my house is fully automated and smart. Okay, so that's how it works. All right, so what other things can be automated apart from homes? I mean, since you're an IoT specialist, I'm trying to,
Like I mentioned earlier, we can automate our agricultural processes.
Yes.
And also we can automate our health
sector,
where you don't need your doctor to be physically in that place before they perform a particular
I get that.
So we can incorporate IoT into that. And also industrial automation, where we like in factories where they produce stuff, you can still see some manual jobs here and there, but we can incorporate IoT into those kind of systems, whereby tend to like improve our productivity and
Absolutely.
reduce human error.
Yes, so what makes it automated?
The whole system is designed to control your appliances. So if I'm
through
not
this switch or through what?
We can control through the switch,
and
we can control through an app.
Okay.
We can control using a remote.
Okay, so there's an app built for this already.
Yes,
oh,
yes.
did you come with it?
Yes, yes.
Oh, and
yeah.
that's what you're going to use to control
definitely.
today. Okay, so let me leave you to do this showcase, right? Okay, and hopefully there could be more questions afterwards. All right, I see you already have your socket inbuilt. In fact, you have this product ready to show investors and households. I mean, you didn't even want to take the chance to, Okay, so let's showcase it if you don't mind.
Okay, so we have the mobile app here.
All right.
And once the device is on, we have the LED which indicates whether it's connected or not. So since this LED is off, it means it is connected to the internet. So once you see this LED on,
so there are two LEDs there.
Yes, one is for power, meaning the device is powered.
Okay.
So the other one is to indicate the connectivity status.
Awesome. So, but right now, it has not gotten any connectivity.
No, it is connected. That's why it is off.
Oh, that's why it is off.
When it is on, it means there's no connection.
Okay.
So you need to connect.
I get that.
So now it is connected. So we can control using the app, which we have here. So once I press, you can see the lamps coming up. And also it has a temperature monitoring system.
Okay.
So we have the temperature readings from the sensor, which is currently 24 degrees Celsius. And we can also control from the manual buttons.
Yeah, like you mentioned.
Which is this. So, and we also get the real-time feedback.
Okay.
From once it is off, once I turn on the sockets, you can see it is coming up.
Can I control this myself? This is so exciting. Okay, I see lamp 1, lamp 2, I see socket, I see switch. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to click on lamp 1. Should I?
Definitely.
All right, lamp 1. All right, and let me turn off lamp 1. Or can lamp 1 and lamp 2 work simultaneously?
Yes.
Okay, so I put lamp 2. Awesome. All right, so let me switch off lamp 1 for now. And then this socket for now, is it working?
Yeah.
Okay, so socket means what? I see socket.
This socket here.
That's if something was plugged to it.
No, you should see this.
Oh, the light on. Oh, okay, so let me click on. Oh, so I see the light. So you can actually
plug your phone.
Oh, you can actually plug your phone.
Let's see if it's working.
So this socket is also relying on the main power source.
Yes.
Not like we have like a rechargeable battery inbuilt there. This is interesting. And so it's saying that the temperature in the studio is 24 degrees centigrade. Yes, it's quite it's a little bit cold here. And then humidity is 58%. Is that good?
Yeah. That's what it says.
All right. And then I see that there's a place on the app that has history.
Yes.
Okay, so what will that be in future?
The history is where the sensor readings are. So you can see how the time lapse for the sensor reading. So you can use that as in terms of the farm automation. If you are reading probably like the temperature, the water level, and the lights, we can gather those data and use that as a prediction factor.
So this can actually store data.
Yes.
Also, and then we can use that data in future.
Yes.
So as you are now, I call you to automate my home. You can do that?
Definitely.
So tell us, what's the future of this box?
Like I said, my goal is to have a startup that is developing things like this in Nigeria.
Okay, so this is
we don't focus on importing.
Tell me, finally, you're on the show and millions of people are watching you. What do you want out of this, right? Collaborations, is it funding? Like I asked you, do you want to go to market, or you want people to call you for automated projects? What do you want out of this?
Definitely, I want collaborations. I'm open to collaborations. And also funding is one major issue.
Funding what exactly? Is this a final product? So what will they be funding?
Building cheap IoT projects that they can easily people can easily buy and use in their house. Not just this, like it can be useful appliances.
Please tell us.
Like
we may
a
not
reading
know.
lamp,
Reading lamp,
an extension box, anything that is sockets, lights, and the like.
What about, I'm just thinking of, what about like smart meters? Do you do things like that?
I've worked on a project on smart meters, which helps to like monitor your energy consumption and store that in your a cloud database where you can access and see at this particular time what was consuming and stuff like that.
All right. Finally, I know I'd like your last words to those who want to come into the IoT world.
Okay. All I would say is keep pushing. I know it's starting is never easy. I never had the chance to imagine myself being on a TV show, but here I am today. If I didn't start then, I don't think I will have the chance to be here today. So just keep pushing, and definitely we will get there. So
thank you very much. And it's always been a testimony from people who have graced this show with their presence and showcased their innovation. It's always been a testimony that, afterwards, either they got calls or they got some collaborations. And that is our core. That is in our heart, that you progress and proceed even after coming to this show. Thank you so much. This is still the Pioneer STEM Show. We've had a really fun time and learning time with Mr. Dogban. We'll be right back after this short break. You're still watching the Pioneer STEM Show, and if you're just joining, you've missed quite a lot. We've had Dogban, a graduate of YABATECH, and who is doing well in embedded systems and IoT. I have learned quite a lot, and I'm sure you have also. What do you think, David?
So much potential, so much, just such an amazing idea, you know, and a great person, very hardworking. I could tell from, his words. And I can't wait to see what it becomes in the next 10, 15 years from now.
Yes.
Just to tell you, Nigeria has a lot to offer the world.
That's right. Africa as a whole, we have a lot to offer to the world. For me, what I can't wait for is, I can't wait for you, our audience. I'm actually picking up your phone and calling Dogban and, taking it up from here. It is our wish that all our guests, get what they want out of life, and we contribute, enormously to that.